Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. Are you Windows 10 user and still using the Windows 10? So this video is for you. I will show you how to install the Windows 10 using the USB bootable pen drive. So let's start without wasting your time guys. I will show you step by step so that you cannot miss any step and successfully should able to install the Windows 10. First step, you need to download Windows 10 ISO file. Simply go to the official website of Windows 10, tap for Windows 10 download, and I will install into my different laptop Windows 10. This laptop I'm using Windows 11. Just go to first link here, and so just we need to click on here the download option. Just create Windows installation media. Just click on download now and make a media creation tool. And also what you can do is simply you need to insert your USB into the laptop. So let's see now. So first, while it is running here, now you should have at least 8 GB of your USB pen drive. Now 8 GB pen drive is, this is my pen drive, 16 GB I'm using, but at least 8 GB you can use. You need to just select here terms and conditions, and directly you can make a bootable pen drive with the help of this. Select this option. Next, everything is recommended here. 64-bit. If you want to choose 32-bit, you can choose also 32-bit, but I'm selecting 64. Next, now choose the USB you have. Just select your USB, and it's already there. You can see this is my USB. Just select next, and if it is saying, just refresh it. And this issue happens sometimes since it can't recognize the USB drive, so you can delete your USB drive data. Make sure you back up the data from your USB, and just it's not letting me delete it. Let's open the Rufus now. Type here Rufus. Simply download the Rufus software from official website. You need to choose your standard edition. Just select download option, exe, and simply you need to run it. Just make a double click on that, and simply it will automatically select your drive. You just need to select the ISO file here, but in order to make a ISO file you need to select this option, and then you need to select next and choose the location where you want to install it. I have already installed that, but just to show you that you can also do that similar way. Just save it, not in a 5 stages, just it will go to the 100% progress depending on your internet speed. So this process will look similar like this. You just need to wait here, and thereafter you need to run this Rufus, and simply select the ISO file where you downloaded it, and I have downloaded it into C drive ISO and this Windows 10. Select that, open it, and file system you can select default FAT32 or NTFS, that is up to you, but default GPT partition is selected here. Everything is good now. Just select here start. Okay, Just leave everything blank. Okay. And now this process will make a bootable pen drive of Windows 10. And also you need to note that target system. Its BIOS setup is UEFI, but if you are using the older PC before 2015, you can choose here the legacy option. Otherwise, UEFI should support on your system. Just go ahead with the UEFI first. Now it's done. Just close it and also cross check the ISO file. Everything is good now. You just need to eject it, and I will show you in my another laptop where I want to install it. So I will make my video with my phone. This is my bootable pen drive. I just need to insert it, and now basically we need to boot from our window. So first of all, we need to make the priority of USB so that your laptop or system can boot from this USB. Just you need to turn on your laptop or system and immediately press the bootable key or the BIOS key, and we need to select a F10 key. So BIOS setup key may be different on your laptop, that is you need to find out. And we are going to make a first priority of USB. Just go to the boot configuration, then you need to go to the boot options, and once you see the boot options here, you need to select your USB. This is USB. You need to change its value from F5 or F6. In your case it would be plus or minus button. If I press F5 here, it is going down, and if I press F5 F6 here, it should go up like this. Now it's on the top. We need to select the changes. Select the changes, F10, exit, and now your laptop or system should boot from your USB directly. So as you can see, it is booted from the USB. Just select here next. Everything is good. Click on install now. Accept terms and conditions. Next. Choose the custom one. And you need to delete the older partition from your Windows. I deleted the older partition. Just select the unallocated space with the GB. Then select next. And now installation is begin. Now window installation is done. I need to remove it and then cancel it. Hi there, I'm Cortana, and I'm here to help. A little sign in here, a touch of Wi-Fi there, and we'll have your PC ready for all you plan to do. Use your voice or the keyboard along the way, and if you'd like me to stay quiet, just select the little microphone icon towards the bottom of your screen. If you need an assistive screen reader, press the Windows, Control, and Enter keys at the same time to turn on narrator. Okay, enough intro. Let's dig in. Your region is set to the United States. Is that right? You can mute it. Select your region, your country. Keyboard is US. Skip for now. Now you can select your internet, the Wi-Fi, and then click on connect and put the password. But you need to create your Microsoft account if you choose this option. And if you have the Microsoft account and want to use the Microsoft account, so you can use your internet. I'm choosing the option I don't have internet so that I can make a offline user. Now you can select your username and you can put your password here, or you can later on set up it. Just accept it. Not now. We are almost done now. And once you connected with your internet, just you need to check for updates so that latest Windows and driver you can use. And no issues with your operating system after installing the latest Windows. Also use Microsoft Edge to install the basic software on your system like Google Chrome or. And now the pending updates should be downloaded on your system. So this is the complete video to how you can install the Windows 10, and I hope guys this video helps you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.